Hi, I'm Tom Lydon here in Chicago at the Charles Schwab Impact Conference here with Sharon French, Head of Beta Solutions at OppenheimerFunds. Great to see you, Sharon.
So great to be here, Tom.
Another great conference, but it's really been another great year for you folks at Oppenheimer. You just recently launched a whole suite of factor strategies. Talk about that a little bit.
We did, yes, thank you. As you know, we're very, very committed to the growth of smart beta. And in that, there's several different categories that you can participate in. The first is fundamentally weighted, which we already are through revenue weighted strategies. Second is single factor, and the third is multi-factor. So just last Friday, November 10th, we launched 6 single factor strategies: momentum, low volatility value, size, quality, and yield.
Great.
For the advisors who feel like they want to put together the persistent factors in a way that's meaningful to them in their practice, that'll drive client outcomes.
Yeah.
And so there is another set of advisors who say, you know what, depending upon what economic regime you're in, whether it's recovery, expansion, slowdown, contraction, we want you to do it for us.
Gotcha.
So it's actually a collaboration between our global multi-asset group within OppenheimerFunds.
Yeah.
They generate the signal in terms of what economic regime we're in, and then we put together the factor combinations that would support that.
And your index partner is FTSE Russell?
It is FTSE Russell.
Right.
It's our
so
first product with them.
You've got a great, stellar team there. I know they're really excited. We talked to them earlier.
Yeah.
And as you point out, more and more advisors not only embracing ETFs, but they're being a little smarter about the way they put together portfolio construction. And during certain economic conditions, some factors might make sense to be a little overweight where others might be underweight, right?
Absolutely. We believe strongly in factor diversification and have done a lot of work on the academically supported, rewarded factors that are these persistent drivers of return.
Yeah.
And we're moving away from what we all grew up with, which was the size and style. This is much more precise, so you can get at the particular parts of the market that are really driving return momentum, as an example. So we're really excited about it. Like most of what we do, it was a very strong client demand.
Yeah.
So you'll certainly see a lot more product launches from us in 2018, but it was important as we round out smart beta equity that we participate in fundamentally weighted single factor and multi-factor.
So we know a lot of advisors have utilized and been really happy with the Oppenheimer funds over time.
Yeah.
With these multi-factor strategies, you're really getting Oppenheimer management to some degree in the form of this ETF, correct?
That's exactly right. That's right. Our global multi-asset group is actually a quantitatively based group that sits within the active part of our organization. And we've got a lot of economists that combine with their quant skills on how to think about the economic environment. And we think that overlay is critically important. As you know, there are other multi-factors out there that they're static.
Yeah.
And so this dynamic multi-factor is really innovation. And it's a sort of a bottom-up construction, which is another really important point as it relates to the construction of these strategies. And so anything we do, we want to make sure that it's got a tremendous amount of empirically, validated investment merit, and that's what you can count on us for in the future.
Well, that's it. There, as you point out, there's a lot of factor strategies and a lot of multi-factor strategies. These have Oppenheimer written all over them because it's the basis of decades of the way Oppenheimer's been managing
Exactly
money.
right. That's exactly right.
Great, excellent. Sharon, as always, great seeing you.
You too, Tom.
Thank you.
Have a great conference.